Well, hello my fellow viewers. In this video, I will share my excitement about making the move to the iPad 7 as my primary working device. I will share 5 things that make the switch a joy and a few things that I'm getting used to coming from the Windows world. Before I begin, I will answer a few questions that you may have. Number 1, why the Apple ecosystems and not Windows or Android? Well, with iOS 13, the iPad now offers support for all the gear I use. The iPad software also rivals or performs better than the popular desktop equivalent. Number 2, why buy the cheaper iPad when you can get the iPad Pro with more performance? Well, at this moment, I want the best bang per buck, and this iPad runs everything very efficiently. With a couple of accessories, this iPad can connect multiple devices into an all-in-one, portable, easy-to-use package. Alright, so here are my top 5 reasons for making the switch. Number 1, the iPad replaced and improved my photo editing experience. This 7th generation iPad doesn't have the P3 wide color gamut, but is very color accurate. Apple has a reputation for delivering very high quality screens, even in their value options. I've never been able to rely on the color accuracy of my PC machine. I always had to use a screen calibrator device. Yes, there are many color accurate Windows computers, but you will pay a premium. The iPad is just over $300 depending on your storage needs. The iPad also has apps that work faster and better than my beloved Adobe suite. I'm now debating whether to keep or cancel my Adobe subscription. Apps like Pixelmator and Affinity Photo have revolutionized the iPad world for me. As of right now, Adobe has not been able to match the simplicity, speed, and tools available in these apps. Lightroom is the only app that has no rival, but you have to deal with the subscription. Number 2, the Apple Pencil replaced my Wacom tablet. I have the Intuos 4 Wacom tablet that I've enjoyed for the past few years. Wacom also has devices with screens you can edit on, but they are costly. A new high-quality Wacom tablet will cost just as much as the iPad, but you still need a Windows or Mac computer. Editing images on the iPad is a joy that I can now experience in a comfy couch where I can freely rotate the device to make my art and image manipulation. Number 3, the iPad has an all-day battery and is quiet. Working from the iPad allows me to be untethered from the outlet all day. And it doesn't have loud fans or gets extremely hot when using demanding applications. Many laptop computers will also give you this benefit, but you guessed it, they cost a lot. They also get hot on your lap. Number 4, I can plug in everything I need. I use a microphone interface with phantom power to power my condenser microphones. I can also connect my MIDI keyboard, memory card reader, external hard drive, and ergonomic mouse, all at the same time. I use a powered USB hub with an aftermarket lighting adapter. I will leave links in the description. Number 5, desktop class web browsing. With this iPad, I can edit websites, I can get the full social media experience, and have access to cloud applications that don't yet offer iPad solution. Now on to the negatives. A few apps that still make me take out my laptop are Adobe InDesign, Audition, and Affinity Publisher. Printing documents is also very simplistic on the iPad, and the built-in AirPrint always wants to print edge to edge when I want something small. I will have to do my research on printing apps and create another video for you. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you're considering making the switch as well, or if you have any questions for me. Until then, I will see you on the next video.